Hi viewers, good morning. Bharat here from Anybody Can Garden. I'm really passionate about gardening and that's why I'm here. So I have a beautiful garden in my background. That's my garden. So today what we are doing is we are setting up a mini pond in our terrace. So I have uh, a lotus plant here that I recently got from the nursery. So this is a lotus plant. Then I have some bushes that grow in the water, these purple ones. Then there are these mini lily plants that are just blooming. So I'm going to add them in my fish pond. Then these are these floaters. So they purify the water for the fish. So these are the water floaters. And here the main thing. So I have the guppy fishes who are ready to go into the pond, the new setting. So, and then I also have this pot where I made a huge hole so they can go and hide and play around. So let's see how we make our pond. So for having like a natural pond setting, we will need rocks, stones, pebbles, and all this stuff. So these are things I have collected for a long time, and I had a guppy pond like for a long time, and then I didn't have it, and now I'm again having a guppy pond. So I had these rocks and shells that I'm using in the guppy pond. I place the pot. So water plants play a major role when you're having guppy fish because it helps them breed well, and then they're adjusted to a aquatic setting where there are tropical water plants that can support them, and it all the plants also make everything look more beautiful and interesting. So while adding water in the pond, make sure you're adding it not on the place where there is soil, so that immediately you can release the fishes. So you can see I'm adding it from one part of the bathtub without disturbing the soil in the pot. So when you do that, it does not affect the soil that is entering into the water. So once I put the water, I'm just making sure the leaves are set, and then I'll add the guppy fish. Guppy fishes usually like to have an aquatic setting where there are a lot of plants, lot of place to hide and run around and play around. So I made it a lot interesting for them, and also they need enough sunlight. So the if the temperatures are going very low, Bangalore is a place where there is tropical climate around 35, and sometimes it goes to 28 and 16 to the least. So they can sustain because there are plants that can control the temperature and keep the water suitable for the fishes to sustain. So that's what I have followed, and then I've had guppy fishes for a long time, and then once I just lost all of them because I was out somewhere for 2 weeks time, and then it was summer and nobody at home could take care of them. So if you are having a guppy pond in your terrace, then you really need to be responsible. So I think now I'm responsible. I am free, and then even if I'm not available, I think I can get someone to make sure they're taking care of the pond at least for a few days time. So only if you can take care of your guppy pond, then have a guppy pond in your house. Otherwise, please don't. That way you're just affecting the fish and yeah, their lives. So if you love them, if you like them, so that's how it is. And always remember, viewers, to block the holes that are used that drain water, excess water, because the guppy fishes are small and then will just flow through the water as the water is flowing. So remember to keep the holes closed so the guppy fishes don't flow along with the water. The fishes were really happy, and then they turned out that in 2 days time I had few baby guppies in my pond. I'll be giving you an update uh, pretty soon as the guppy babies are growing. I'm really excited. So I'll keep you updated on how the guppy fishes are doing. I also added few more guppy parents to the pond, and then they're doing really well. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.